Welcome to Tutorial Show. In this guide, I will show you how to reset any Vizio soundbar, and these methods work on all models.
Method 1. Soft reset. Step 1. Turn off the soundbar. Step 2. Unplug it from power. Step 3. Wait 1 minute. Step 4. Plug it back in and turn it on. Method 2. Reset using remote, if available. Step 1. Press menu. Step 2. Go to System. Step 3. Select Reset Defaults. Step 4. Confirm. Method 3. Factory reset. Works on all models. Option 1. Most Vizio models. Press and hold. Volume down plus Bluetooth BT for 5 seconds. Lights will flash. Reset done. Option 2. Some older models. Press and hold. Volume down plus input for 5 seconds. Option 3. Few models. Press and hold. Power plus volume down for 10 seconds.